What? You got a pickle stuck up yours, Randy?
Buck, no pickle jokes. I took a cricket bat to the clangers. The doctor says I need to lay low. You get my drift. Zero stimulation. If I wake up the tiger, he'll kill me. Let's just get today's tip filmed. I gotta get home and ice my oysters.
Sorry we're late.
Shelby, Cobra. Squeeze a little tighter so you get in frame. Up against Ramdeep.
As mammals, we all need our blood to circulate. And oil is the blood your vehicle needs to run. It circulates over and over again while you drive. But over time, it loses its purity.
Losing your purity? Is that such a bad thing?
Yes. When choosing your oil, make sure you think of viscosity. That means thickness, as in honey is thicker than water.
Using the wrong viscosity means less lubrication and shorter engine life. So, thicker equals longer?
That depends on your engine. Check your manual. You also need to keep in mind when you're choosing your oil whether you want synthetic or conventional.
Well, synthetic oil is built using designer molecules. Regular oil, it comes from petroleum that comes from deep inside the earth. Pumped up under incredible pressure.
So, how often should we do it?
It?
You know, an oil change.
Oh, a regular oil change should be done every 5,000 kilometers.
But if you're into high performance, heavy loads, and love to push hard,
Then go synthetic.
lube to the max.
Oh my God. Stay tuned for more tips from the Wrench and Yank.